Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Dent token. As in my previous videos, I have been showing you a very big breakout from a big falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, Dent token is rejected by this long-term resistance and dropped down. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you this down channel that has been formed on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous reports in the video's description. Just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup or multi-chain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup. It will take you to the trading views chart, and there is a play button available on every chart. You just need to click that play button. It will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously we have been following this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see it was more than 166% move, but the price line got rejected by this very long-term resistance of $0.0015. And previously, this level has been working as a support here, and you can see for the past several months, it is now working as a very, very strong and long-term resistance. And after this rejection, the price line has even broke down the next supports and dropped down at this long-term support of $0.000820. This is a quite long-term support, by the way. And previously, we can see that here it has been breaking as a support in the month of December 2022, and now the price line is again testing this support. At the same time, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here Dent token has formed this down channel. We have several touch points at the support and two touch points at the resistance. It is very obvious that it is testing the support more than the resistance. That is a quite clear signal that eventually the price can break down the support of this channel. However, this pattern is considered as a bullish bias, and at the same time, if we take a look at the oscillator, then there is also a bullish divergence flashed on this daily time frame chart. You can see that the price line formed this low here, and the next low it is forming lower than the previous one, quite low. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that just below the price line, it formed this low here, and it is forming next low higher than the previous one. So there is a bullish divergence flashed on this chart. That can be a signal that the pricing can break out, or at least it can make a powerful attempt to break out the resistance of this down channel. Once it will be able to break out this down channel, then the target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately a point 0.00121. And now we are back on the weekly time frame chart. And here I would like to show you that after these few more rejections, like here the price moved up, moved down, moved up, moved down. We cannot ignore these few more rejections. And if I play this trend line of the same falling wedge pattern here, then you can see that it is still following this down trend line resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Therefore, we also need to break out this long-term down trend line resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Still, we need to break it out. You can see we got rejection here, we got few rejections here, and two more rejections here, even several rejections we have here, and the support is the same. And once the price line will be able to break out this down channel, then it can also break out the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern as well, because the target is here at the top of the wedge at $0.0012. And if the price line reaches there, then it can easily break out this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And the final target for this bigger falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately between 1.8 cents to 2 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.